In this lecture, I will give you the instructions to install Java 8 or JDK 8 on your machine. To do that, launch your web browser and do a search for Java 8 download. Click on the very first link which says Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads, and we'll go to the Java downloads page. Scroll down and you will see different versions of downloads here. This is what we need, Java SE Development Kit. We don't need the samples and downloads. Accept the license agreement by clicking on the radio button, and you have different downloads here for different operating systems. If you are on Windows, you will download the EXEs and simply double click on the EXE and keep clicking next, and JDK will be typically installed under your program files. If you want to change that, you can change that during the process of installation. And if you are on Mac, you will download the DMG file. Again, double click on it and it will automatically do the installation for you. It will simply go to the apps folder on a Mac, and you have versions for Linux and Solaris as well. So it's that simple. Download. Once you accept the license agreements, you will download the EXE or DMG or whatever depending on your operating system. Double click on it and keep clicking the next button.